In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide. Find important Shopify settings fast. If you've ever clicked through menu after menu trying to change a shipping rate or connect a bank account, this is going to save you a ton of time. The goal is simple. Get to the exact Shopify setting you need in seconds without the guesswork. The fastest route is the global search bar at the top of your dashboard. Click into it and start typing what you need, like shipping or payments. As you type, Shopify suggests direct links to the exact settings pages that match your keywords. Instead of navigating through multiple layers, you can jump straight to shipping and delivery, payment settings, or whatever you're after. Keep your keywords simple and specific, and you'll land exactly where you need to be. This works from almost anywhere in your admin, so it becomes your go-to shortcut the moment something pops into your head. It's a huge time saver. If you prefer a more visual, manual path, head to the settings gear in the bottom left corner of your admin. Clicking it opens a dedicated area with a clear sidebar that organizes everything by category, from your basic store details through apps and sales channels. This view is great when you want to browse, compare options, or see related settings grouped together. It's also useful if you're setting up for the first time and want to make sure nothing gets missed. Take a moment to scan the categories. Once you recognize where things live, you'll move much faster every time you come back. Here's a pro tip to streamline your daily workflow. Pin your most used app or sales channel to the sidebar. When something stays visible all the time, you don't have to search for it each session. That single change keeps your frequent tools one click away and your focus on running the business instead of finding buttons. And if you're really stuck or just want extra clarity, look for the question mark icon in the top right. That's your direct line to the Shopify Help Center and support. From there, you'll find step-by-step guides, best practices, and troubleshooting articles for almost any task. It's like having a built-in manual that opens right where you work, which makes solving problems much less stressful. So, stop searching and start building. With the global search bar for instant access, the settings gear for a complete view, pins for your daily essentials, and the Help Center, when you need guidance, you now know how to find exactly what you need in seconds. Happy optimizing!